Okay friends, moving to the last video over here under reports, we'll see how to create a report based on a query. The query that we're going to use is going to be the invoices not paid. Okay, let's say your boss has asked you a report which has the information of the customers and the late fees that they're going to pay. So the simplest thing is we're going to make a query out of it, which we have already done when we saw queries wherein we have this customers in front of us with all the details and also the late fees amount that each one of them is going to pay. Okay, and now we'll convert this into a report and show it to our boss who needs this information. So the procedure is very simple. Go to create, we go to report wizard, we'll select the query. Since we had last opened that query, you will see that the most recent is shown over here. So this is perfectly fine. And we select the fields. I want all of them. So we'll keep all of them in this report and click on next. We'll keep it by customers, invoice date. We don't want to do any formatting as such. And fine, everything is in place. I'll give this name customers not paid invoice. I want to preview the report and I click on finish. As soon as you do that, you will see that this report is ready in front of you with the necessary information, but the only problem is a bit of formatting, so which is very simple. We close the print preview and you will see that this opens up in the design view. I want it in the layout view only, so in the layout view I can now make the formatting changes I want. So I'll multi-select and shift all of them towards the left because we have enough space towards the left, and this is fine. If I want, I can shift the amount a bit towards the right, and this looks quite good. If you want, I can change the fonts. Also, you can provide special fills only to the headings. So we can go to the format and at the shape fill, if you want, you can provide any shape fill or let's say shape outline. The font now does not match, and what you need to do is just go under the design tab and you can change the font size if you want. Under format, you can change the color of the font. I think white will be more visible, so you can do that. You can multi-select and do so all at once it happens. So these are some changes that you will have to do to the report before finally you print them, and once you're done with all of it, you can do a print preview, and once everything is finalized, this is still in the layout view, second in the report view. If it looks fine to you, you can go ahead and give a print option to it, so that will be available to you. Okay, so with this we have completed the understanding of this object reports in your Access Database 2016. In the final session, we are just going to do a simple exercise wherein you will understand how we can export data and we can do a mail merge. Let's do that now.